The essence of meditation practice in Dzogchen is encapsulated by these 4 points. When one's past thought has ceased and a future thought has not yet risen, in that gap in between, isn't there a consciousness of the present moment, fresh, virgin, unaltered by even a hair's breadth of a concept, a luminous, naked awareness? Well, that is what Rigpa is. Yet, it doesn't stay in that state forever, because another thought suddenly arises, doesn't it? This is the self-radiance of that Rigpa. However, if you do not recognize this thought for what it really is, the very instant it arises, then it will turn into just another ordinary thought as before. This is called the chain of delusions and is the root of samsara. If you are able to recognize the true nature of the thought as soon as it arises and leave it alone without any follow-up, then whatever thoughts arise all automatically dissolve back into the vast expanse of Rigpa and are liberated. Clearly, this takes a lifetime of practice to understand and realize the full richness and majesty of these 4 profound yet simple points. And here I can only give you a taste of the vastness of what is meditation in Dzogchen. Dzogchen meditation is certainly powerful in dealing with the arisings of the mind and has a unique perspective on them. All the risings are seen in their true nature, not as separate from Rigpa and not as antagonistic to it, but actually as none other, and this is very important, than its self-radiance, the manifestation of its very energy. Say, you find yourself in a deep state of stillness. Often it does not last very long, and a thought or a movement always arises, like a wave in the ocean. Don't reject the movement or particularly embrace the stillness, but continue with the flow of your pure presence. The pervasive, peaceful state of your meditation is the Rigpa itself, and all risings are none other than this Rigpa's self-radiance. This is the heart and the basis of Dzogchen practice. One way to imagine this is as if you were riding on the sun's rays back to the sun. Of course, they are rough as well as gentle waves in the ocean. Strong emotions come like anger, desire, jealousy. The real practitioner recognizes them not as a disturbance or obstacle, but as a great opportunity. The fact that you react to arisings such as these with habitual tendencies of attachment and aversion is a sign not only that you are distracted, but also that you do not have the recognition and have lost the ground of Rigpa. To react to emotions in this way empowers them and binds us even tighter in the chains of delusion. The great secret of Dzogchen is to see right through them as soon as they arise to what they really are, the vivid and electric manifestation of the energy of Rigpa itself. As you gradually learn to do this, even the most turbulent emotions fails to seize hold of you and dissolve as wild waves rise and rear and sink back into the calm of the ocean. The practitioner discovers, and this is a revolutionary insight, whose subtlety and power cannot be overestimated, that not only do violent emotions not necessarily sweep you away and drag you back into the whirlpools of your own neuroses, they can actually be used to deepen, embolden, invigorate, and strengthen the Rigpa. The tempestuous energy becomes raw food of the awakened energy of Rigpa. The stronger and the more flaming the emotion, the more Rigpa is strengthened.